Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Scholarship Hive. I hope you guys are doing great and have a good time. This is Mahvish Ramzan here with an exciting opportunity. This time it is from University of Padova. It is a fully funded scholarship and it is from one of the best countries of Europe, that is Italy. It is among the most preferred country in Europe due to good economic conditions and affordability of international students. In this video, first I will tell you details of this scholarship, and secondly I will practically show you step-by-step application procedure. So let's get started. The University of Padova is among the oldest universities in Italy and considered among the best universities in Italy with more than 70,000 students. Padova Excellence Scholarship is the biggest scholarship of University of Padova, which is almost 43. And this scholarship is for 2 years for master's program and of almost 3 years for bachelor's program. Brief details as I already told you. Padova International Excellence Scholarship provides you a complete fee waiver for the duration of your degree program and a total amount of €8,000 scholarship per year. These are the fields of study. You can here pause the video and take different screenshots of these programs, so you can see your desired programs later. Eligibility criteria. You should be an international applicant. If you are an Italian student, you must have another country's citizenship as well. For applying to bachelor's program, you should have a higher secondary school certificate. While applying to master's degree program, you should have a bachelor's degree. Documents required, these are CV, university degree transcripts, English proficiency certificate, and recommendation letters. 2nd June 2021 is the deadline to apply. For the application form, go to apply now. This is the official website in front of you. To access the application form, first you will go to register. You have to register yourself, register or sign in. This pop-up appears. Click I'm a new applicant. Enter your email and click register. A one-time login link is sent to your email. You will go to that link. To access this link, check your junk email folder as well, and then go to click to login. This pop-up appears. Choose a password. After choosing the password, continue. Now you can find your desired programs in which you want to apply. You can also access your application from there, my application, and then again continue. You can add a filter there and then check your program. I'm just randomly going to this. Definitely you will apply to your desired programs. So application form has been opened. This application form has 6 to 7 portions. First is the priorities. It is your applying programs priority order. You can add up to 3 degree programs. You should add your degree programs in first, second, third priority order. Then is your profile, your basic information. Here I must suggest you should read this page. It is about citizenship information. Next, you will write your first name, your given name, your family name as it is in your ID card. Then you will select your gender, your citizenship. If you have a double citizenship, you will select from this list of countries. Then you will enter your passport number, issuance date of your passport number, expiry date, country of issuance, issued by the authority who issues the passport, your date of birth, your country of birth, and your place of birth. And after that, you will also attach your formal photograph. It should be in JPEG format, and it should not exceed in 2 MB. Its size is also given, which is 35 into 45 millimeter. And after that, you will save it and then move on to the next portion, which is contacts. You will enter your email, which you have already entered. Then you will give your mobile number. You can also give your Skype ID, as there is no red mark. This is not a mandatory field, so you can skip it. Next is a street address. You will write your home address, your house number, your city, province, region, the postal code of your area, and then you will select your country. And again, you will save it. When you save it, you can also edit it later, in case if you have made a mistake or you want to change it later. So you should save it rather than submit. Next is the education portion. Here you will select your level of education, bachelor's, master's, doctoral, secondary school education. Then is the expected graduation, in which year your graduation will be completed. You will select from this list. Months and years are given. Okay, next you will enter the school, university or institution name and the nominal length of your degree program. Years and months are given again. Okay, the program name, your country, your study location, your awarded qualification, any diploma issues to you, diploma issue date, diploma issued by, diploma issue location. Select your study language, your GPA or average grade in your bachelor's or master's, and the maximum GPA average grade possible. For education programs below than masters or bachelors, like metric or intermediate, you have to insert a new block here, and then you will enter the same fields here, and again you will save it, and then we are going to languages. You will select your language from this drop down menu. Then are the documents. You will upload your documents, and check in others. Medical information, in case you consider it important to inform the university of your medical condition. If so, then please do write it there. Again, there is no red mark, it's not a mandatory field. Please let us know how you found the information that led you to apply. You will select from this list, and then any special needs, you have to write it there. After that, you have to check the checklist. Okay, in documents, you will upload your final bachelor's degree, translation of bachelor's degree documents, proof of application fee payment, any other enrollment requirements, passport, CV, curriculum vitae, resume, proof of English language proficiency, temporary residence permit, academic transcript of records, and a motivation letter. After this, you will save it, and then after a complete and thorough check of your application form, you will submit it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and never forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Scholarship Hive for exciting and amazing scholarships, internships, and future opportunities. Thank you so much for watching.